This is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibu. You see, you can't see. So this is my nice setup. These are broilers, yes, and they are 8 days old. So this morning I'm giving them um, their first gumboro. Yes, I'm giving them the gumboro vaccine. Yes, very interesting. Nice one. Yes, you can see your gentle farmer. I'm just enjoying the thing. It's really nice to be a farmer. Yes, it's about passion. And note, farming is a family work. There's deeper into it. I've coded it. I said farming is a family work. This is your gentle farmer. Edu Abibu. Look at them. Very nice.